Hi there, I'm Christopher Heath. You're watching WFTV's Law Talk.
Legal cases, legal issues, legal matters. You're watching WFTV's Law Talk, brought courtesy of the Personal Injury and Accident Division of NeJame Law.
All right, let's talk about some of the current cases, issues, and legal matters that our viewers are talking about. Joining me today is legal analyst, attorney Mark NeJame of the NeJame Law Firm, Albert Yamfa, a partner at NeJame Law in the Personal Injury Division. And we're talking about personal injury today, specifically on businesses when you're at a business, be it a parking garage, a commercial business, or even an apartment complex.
That's right. And it's, under the law, it's called premise liability. And it's a very important area. Many people don't realize it, but a property owner, a person that's in possession or control of a property, has responsibilities to the public to make sure that the premises are kept safe and that there's a disclosure of any areas that might be questionable. And this can run into a whole lot of areas, whether there was inadequate lighting, whether there was negligent hiring, negligent supervision of an employee, whether there was a lack of security or improper security or failure to do background checks. All of these can fall into the area of premise liability, where a business owner, whether it's a parking garage, whether it's a business itself, an apartment complex, as you indicated, we have a massive case we're dealing right now concerning that. That's garnered a lot of attention.
People don't necessarily think about apartment complexes as being, you think about a business, like a business, I go to the store and buy something, but apartment complex falls into that as well.
No, absolutely. There's a social contract between someone who owns a business and someone who's on that business for whatever purpose, commercial purpose. An apartment complex is a classic example of, if there is something, a danger that the landlord or the owner knows about, they have a responsibility to either warn invitees, or the next step is to protect them. So when you talk about apartment complexes, what we look at is there a crime grid in that area that indicates that it is a dangerous location? And if it is, that landlord has a responsibility to provide protection. And if not, they will be held liable for anything that happens.
And that's where many cases, but the one that I'm specifically addressing, we're looking at issues as to whether the landlord was given notice and didn't act upon it, whether they provided security, or whether the security were working at the time when they should have been, what the announcements were to the public. If you say you're going to be providing security and you don't, or you've limited it, all those issues start surfacing into it. And so what you've got to do is make sure that when you, in fact, find yourself in a situation of being injured on some commercial property, get the assistance of a counsel right away. Why? You want to be able to preserve those videos. You want to be able to get those witnesses. You want to be able to do your investigation before it's lost or covered up, which happens. You want to be first in front of it. You don't want to wait and then react. You want to act. And
you've said that on a number of topics before, but that is it.
So
preserve the evidence of what happened, because that may be important down the road.
That's right. And there's things called chains of evidence and contamination of evidence and matters such as that the public doesn't know often until it's too late. And that's why they need to be able to jump on it early and make sure it's secure for their own protection, for their own well-being, and for their own recoveries, because without that, they're going to fall short many times.
All right, Albert, thank you so much. Mark, as always, thank you for your expertise on this and your insight into all of it. Anyway, if you'd like to watch this Law Talk or any of our other Law Talks, visit our website, WFTV.com/legal, or join us each week right here on Facebook. I'm Christopher Heath. Thanks for watching.
WFTV's Law Talk was brought courtesy of the Personal Injury and Accident Division of NeJame Law.